Welcome to this calf effleurage tutorial. In applying effleurages, we use massage oil to ensure proper friction over the muscles. Begin by gently spreading the oil over the calves without applying excessive pressure. To do this, place your hands together with the pinkies on top. Start just above the heel and ensure you're covering the sides of the calf as well. Use the butterfly technique to gradually increase the applied pressure. To perform this technique, create a V shape with your thumb and hand. Try to maintain consistent and equal pressure with both your hands. When heading towards the upper part of the calves, move towards the sides while gently kneading the muscle tissue with your thumbs. The hand-after-hand technique is excellent for relaxation. Ensure that your hands follow one another in a smooth and flowing motion. Ensure that the entirety of your hands stays in contact with the skin. A similar technique that is perfect to follow up on is the hands over hands technique. The flat hands technique is excellent for releasing muscle tension in the calves. To increase the intensity, simply apply more pressure through your fingertips. It's also possible to perform this technique using only one hand. This is great for when we want to focus more on specific areas that need attention. Avoid putting tension on the back of the knee. The thumb over thumb technique is one of the most intense effleurage techniques. We can apply a lot of pressure using this method. Therefore, it's important that we always communicate with and check in with the recipient to ensure that they can handle it. Many people enjoy intense massages, but it's crucial to strike a balance. While applying pressure is important, it's essential to avoid causing pain, as it contradicts the purpose of relaxation. To use the over and under technique, glide your hands over the muscles in a ringing motion, moving from the bottom of the calf towards the top, and then back down again. To massage the Achilles heel, create a V shape with your thumb and hand, then gently squeeze while covering the bottom part of the calf. To conclude this routine, we use the plait grip technique, which comprises 3 distinct movement patterns. First, we use the back of our hands to move up. When moving back down, we keep our fingers connected while pulling with our fingertips. For the second movement, we spread our fingers apart. Finally, with the third and final movement, we create a zigzag motion. The same 3 movements can also be applied using only one hand. If you have any questions or requests for future videos, feel free to leave a reply. Thank you for watching, and if you want more massage tutorials, please subscribe to our channel.